I am Jessica Camarero, and I'm the costume designer for The Wedding Singer. I'm really excited to be part of this one because I just love being able to go over the top with the 80s theme. This is Linda in her wedding dress because it's one of the pieces that I'm looking forward to the most. Her dress is like so iconic and so 80s. Holly is the Madonna-like character. With her, when she's wearing her waitress, she has a bunch of different waitress costumes. She puts her little Holly twist on her waitress outfit. I looked for a lot of pictures of real people because the celebrities are going to be more exaggerated when they dress because get pictures taken of them, but a real person, that's just what they wore. And it's 80s at its best. Decided that we wanted to go for real 80s, not 80s as reimagined by modern times. So we want big skirts and lots of bright colors and things like this where it's got crinolines under it and lots of ruching and bows and everything you could possibly stick on a dress to make it look hideous, but it's so very 80s.